Hi, this video is about the 352 transport chair, and it now comes in beautiful purple. Our most versatile transport chair, my favorite, now comes in this gorgeous color in addition to the other colors. So I'm going to show you the very quick assembly of this transport chair and why it is a favorite. So when you get your transport chair, it's going to come fully assembled. It's actually going to look just like this. And you're just going to turn the box on the side and you're just going to roll the transport chair out of the box. And when you do that, it will look just like this. And this is also the transport chair in the compact folded position. Notice how more compact it is than like a wheelchair, making it so much easier to get in and out of the car, and it's also easy to pick up. All right, so to open up your transport chair, just pull out the arms and push down on the seat. And then you're going to pull up on the back, and you're going to hear it lock in place with these tabs. And these tabs here is also where you pull down to pull down on the backrest. All right, so next thing you're going to do is attach the footrest. So it comes with two footrests, one for either side. You're going to open up the foot plate and you're going to put the hangers over the pins with the foot plate facing inward. Very simple, and you're going to make sure that it folds in and locks in place. All right, and these foot plates are also adjustable and with comfortable heel loops. And then the transport chair comes with this great added safety feature, anti-tippers. So you just insert these to the back with the push buttons, and then you can also turn them up so they're out of the way. All right, that's it. That's all you have to do, and your transport chair is ready to go. So I'm going to show you why this is the most versatile transport chair. The main feature that I love are these handbrakes, because you want to go a lot of places and the world is not flat. So if you're going down a curb or a slight incline, you've got these handbrakes to be able to control the speed and stability. And they also lock to put the transport chair in a locked parked position. See if you're moving the person in and out of a car. All right, so these handbrakes are in addition to having wheel locks, which are down here. But having these handbrakes right here gives that control, so that way you can keep the user here nice and safe. Also, I love that it has these large 12-inch rear wheels in addition to the 8-inch front wheels. These large rugged wheels in the back allow you to traverse in a lot of different terrain, making it easier for yourself, but most importantly, comfortable for the user. All right, the other feature that I love about this transport chair are the arms. So these are called desk arms, but I like to call them dining arms because you can just scoot this transport chair right under a dining table, and then that way the person is right up against the table. And then these arms with a button like this flip up all the way back, making it so much easier to transfer the user, say, in and out of a car or in and out of a bed or from even a commode. So this makes transferring so much easier. Then the arms just go down and then they lock into place. All right, so this transport chair also comes with an adjustable safety seat belt, a pocket for storage in the back, and like I mentioned, those anti-tippers for safety, making sure that the user is secure in that chair. All right, that is a 352 transport chair now in gorgeous purple. And as with all of Nova products, it comes with our care and use and warranty information, and most importantly, how to contact us anytime.